All right. Gause Garage coming to you from Venice, Florida. And you are looking at a true, real deal A12 '69 Dodge Superbee 446 pack. And yes, the transmission in this car is auto magic, but it still comes with a Dana because they were 446 pack with the fiberglass lift-off hood car. They still came with the Dana, even on the automatics, for strength and durability for the racetrack. And what's even the mystery on that is they never came with disc brakes. Even though Chrysler made them to go out on the track, they would never available with disc brakes. This one's a drum brake car. As you can see, power drums. And well, anyway, the engine and trans are out for rebuild, so we're detailing, getting everything ready for the engine and trans to come back. Blacked out behind the grill, took the grill out and rehabbed it, put new bumpers on, put new red lines and black steel wheels, and buffed out the paint. This car was sitting for 30 years. It got painted 30 years ago, put under a cover, and just sat in a warehouse. And you know what? It was good that it was undercover because when I buffed it, it all came up just beautiful, like it was painted last week. Um, really beautiful. So all the new shiny bits were replaced. We got new mirror, new handles, in and out, new door panels. Um, let's have a closer look here. Yeah, new door panels with the correct reflector right there with the Superbee wood trim. Uh, New armrest bases, new armrests, new bright shiny bits, as you can see all through here. The seats are original. They had a lot of dirt on them and mold and stuff, so we scrubbed them off. We stripped out the whole interior, put in a new carpet. The dash, this was a low mile car when it was put away, so as you can see, look at how crisp and clear that dash is. That's original from the factory. It's a low mile car that was put away 30 years ago with a paint job. And after stripping out the interior, replacing everything, putting the console together, I used the remnants from the carpet to actually make a console carpet because it didn't have carpet on there. So anyway, it looks wonderful. And with the new red lines and the black steel wheels, it completes the look of the A12 446 pack. And of course, there's one of the best iconic logos in the Dodge repertoire is the Superbee. You can't beat it. Look at that, folks. That is just, maybe second best to the Charger, But the Superbee has always been an excellent trade name from the Dodge brand. So when this thing gets all ready and the engine's back in, it's going to be one pretty and slick car. And there you have it, folks. Beautiful. A12, 446 pack, automatic, Dana rear end, received all new gas tank lines, all new brake lines, all new cylinders, everything, master cylinder, the whole nine has been gone through, and it will be ready to roll. This is Gause Garage coming to you from Venice. Thank you very much.